Hello, everything! Today, we're going to talk about tissue papers.
Tissue is a general term indicating a class of papers which are characteristically gauzy in texture and in some cases fairly transparent. They may be glazed, unglazed, or kept and are used for a variety of purposes.
Some examples of tissue products are toilet paper, napkins, paper towels, facial tissues, and decorative tissues. Three of the most commonly used applications of tissue products are paper towels, toilet paper, and facial tissue.
Paper towels are folded or rolled sheets used for drying or cleaning, where quick absorption is required. Paper towels are often embossed during the converting process for additional cleaning strength or absorption. It can be made from virgin pulp, recycled paper products, or maybe a combination of the two. On the other hand, toilet papers are based on a desire for public hygiene. Toilet tissue evolved along with the advent of indoor plumbing. Toilet tissue on a roll was introduced to North America in 1890 by Scott Paper Company. Designed to be sewer and septic safe, toilet tissue is an essential product of everyday life, providing sanitation, comfort, and convenience with every use. Lastly, the facial tissues are class of soft, absorbent papers in the sanitary tissue group, originally used for removal of creams, oil, and other dirts from the skin. Some of its desirable characteristics are softness, strength, and freedom from lint. Generally, tissue products are hygienic and convenient to use. Disposable tissue products have helped reduce the spread of bacteria and communicable diseases. Here are some examples.